This is your girl Tina, and welcome to my channel. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I pluck my frontals. As you can see, I'm always using my hot comb to push all those hairs back. Okay, you want to make sure your hairline is nice and flat before you start plucking. As you can see on this side, the hair was a little over bleached, so I definitely will be doing a video on different techniques that you can use to fix that. So as you can see, I'm starting on this side where the hair is a little bit thicker, and I'm going to start plucking in the back due to this frontal having a thickness in the density. You don't want the hairline to be too thick, and you don't want the hairline to be too thin. So as you can see, plucking does take a lot of work. It's very important and it's very key. So right here, I'm at the hairline. As you can see, I'm not plucking on the actual hairline, I'm plucking behind it. And at this point, I'm just eyeing it to make sure that it's not too thick and it's not too thin. Like I said in previous videos, you want your lace front to have an ombre illusion. Now I'm getting ready to pluck the front of the hairline, which is the thinnest part of the lace front. So I part it a little bit because it is already sort of pre-plucked. I just wanted to thin it out just a little bit more, just to give it a better natural look.
Style. Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.
So the hairline is looking very natural because that is exactly what we want. I love plucking, then I love combing the hair out. Then I like using my pressing comb so I can see exactly how my hairline is looking. Okay, so now the most time consuming part is done, which is plucking the frontal. This is probably the most time that you will spend on your frontal, and that is plucking all by itself. So right now, I'm just going in and eyeing a couple of spots that are just a little bit thicker than what I want. So I'm just going to go ahead and thin it out a little bit. Okay, so let's just appreciate the frontal. Take a moment of silence and just look at this. It's perfect. I love it. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. It looks very natural, okay? Very, very natural. You definitely don't want to have a thick hairline. So whether it's me or whether it's your stylist, make sure they bleach and pluck your frontal. So you're not walking around here looking like Wiggiana, okay? So right here, this is just me being a perfectionist, still eyeing the hairline because I just think it needs to be just a little bit thinner, okay? So I'm just going to go in, use my pressing comb, straighten it all back, make sure it's flat, make sure I can see the hairline, and look at this lace. Mind you, this is not HD, it is just regular lace. So here is the final product. The lace is plucked, it's bleached, and it's in a high bun. Yes, again, this is a 360. And let's appreciate the Glammie from the Glammie Queen herself, Kia Nicole on Instagram and Facebook. And this is also what the unit looks like when you're wearing it down. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share.